not a scene waiting for a crime. There's no way in hell that I'd sign up with a man with his demons not known, cotton taking Florida released. And I've been nuts to waste the years I spent learning how to care for men who don't, but just say that's why women I don't do anything, I don't go anywhere. So leave me the fuck alone. You think I don't like it that way? You're wasting your time. I believe love is what is home, not a steam waiting for a ride. No way in hell that I meet up with a man not knowing who he is and what he wants before, and I'd be okay to be on Predator.